So hey there everyone and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, I'm the channel host, and what you're seeing on screen right now is actually me flying a Litchi mission in the Granite Dells in Prescott, Arizona and giving a wave. I decided to have a little fun this morning after I finished doing some other recordings for some new classes and new tutorials that I'm setting up. But what you're watching right now is actually flight with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and with the Litchi app. And I'm actually flying waypoint missions that I created while I was on location in the Granite Dells. So while in the Dells, I decided, hey, why not have a little bit of fun and set up some more waypoint missions to show off the power of waypoints. So you're seeing the drone flying right now. It's very smooth, very simple transitions, nothing too jarring. And as you watch this drone coming back toward me, you'll notice it's not bouncing all over the place. The curves and the turns are very mellow, and that's because of the fact that I use the Litchi waypoint mission to create really smooth transitions. So let's take a look at the Litchi screen really quick, and I'm just popping into waypoint 1 settings. So what I did to achieve these, I actually flew the drone to where I wanted it. I had the drone pointing in the direction that I wanted it. I adjusted the gimbal down tilt or up tilt, and then I created a waypoint location by hitting one of my control keys on my Mavic 2 Pro controller. And so we're looking at waypoint 1, altitude 48 feet, using the cruising speed. We had the heading set in there, rotations, no points of interest, and then the gimbal pitch was actually set to interpolate. And you can see that as we move through this video, the gimbal pitch does change. So let's move a little further and we'll see some of the other gimbal pitches. There we go. So on waypoint 4, we started having the gimbal pitch down to negative 12 degrees and then pitch further down on the next one to negative 23 and another negative 23 and then a negative 11. So we actually have the gimbal move between each waypoint. What Litchi does with these waypoint missions, they actually help control and smooth things out for you. So all of this really nice movement that you're viewing was made possible thanks to the Litchi waypoint mission that I quickly set up while I was out in the rocks today. So Litchi can really help you create more cinematic video and repeatable video, because as you're seeing on the Litchi screen, I can go refly this one over and over again. It's going to produce the same results for me over and over again as far as the flight path, where the gimbal's going, how the curves are working out like you're seeing right now on screen. So it's pretty exciting stuff. In total, while I was out on location, I actually did 3 different flights for fun. And then I said, you know what, I'm going to save one of these to share them with everybody. But so if you'd been wondering about the course that I teach on Udemy regarding Litchi waypoint missions for your drone business, this is a great example of how a waypoint mission can create really smooth, really reproducible video or stills over and over again if you're looking to do time-lapse projects, progression report projects. Litchi can be a massive help in your drone business. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, flying things manually is fantastic, and we all should know how to fly manually on our drones. But utilizing tools like this in your business applications is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches, because you can create these missions that are reproducible, that are just as smooth as this mission right here, and very simple to execute if you're actually going to be going to a client location over and over again and need results that look exactly like the last results. So there we go, the drone flying in before I was landing it. And one other thing to note on this, I'm going to put another little clip because I've got a third one, but we're not going to run the whole third one. But one other item that you should note here is the fact that there is no editing in the video whatsoever today. So no color correction, no color grading, no messing around with the smoothness of it. So no changes to the video itself. This is the video that came right out of the camera. So the smooth quality and the nice color quality for not having color graded it are all thanks to the Mavic 2 Pro. I really do love the Mavic 2 Pro's color, and it does a great job. There are multiple settings for color if you want to do your grading, but if you just need something right out of the camera, I'll tell you what, the Mavic 2 Pro does a really nice job. And if I hadn't told you, you probably wouldn't even have paid attention. But now if you're looking at it, you're saying, yeah, it's a little flat and maybe you could punch it up a little bit. Absolutely, we could punch it up a little bit. All right, so that's it for this one. For once, a really quick video on this channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a little something. And maybe this will spur your interest in trying out the Litchi app for doing waypoint missions and creating reproducible results for your next business application using Litchi. All right, everyone, have a great week, and we'll see you again here in the near future.